second part of the specific gravity. So first we have determined the specific gravity using pyranometer for coarse grained soil. Now we will determine specific gravity of fine grained soil using density bottle. Okay, so for fine grained soil we have to go for only density bottle. The capacity of density bottle may vary from 25 ml, 50 ml, it may be of 100 ml. So this bottle consisting of one cap, you can see, and this is the glass bottle. So we will directly go with the observations. So the same observations that we have to follow for the pyranometer. Okay, for the density bottle as it is in the pyranometer. So first observation is mass of empty density bottle. So first of all we will take the first observation, that is mass of empty density bottle. So that is 43 grams. So first of all we will write mass of empty density bottle M1, that is 43 grams. Now the second observation is of mass of density bottle plus soil. Approximately 10 to 12 gram of the soil sample that you have to take, and you have to pour this particular soil into the bottle. Okay. So it is approximately soil, and we are going to take measurement of this particular soil. Okay. So it is approximately 10 to 12 gram. Though we have not measured the mass of the soil sample which is poured into the density bottle, but we are going to measure this mass of soil plus bottle in the second observation. So second observation is mass of soil plus bottle with cap. You have to take every observation with cap. So second observation is mass of bottle with dry soil. So it is 50 gram. So second observation I can take. So 50 gram. So you can note that the mass of soil is approximately 7. So 7, 10, 12, it is measurable. It should not be less than 5 gram. It should not be greater than 15 gram. Now again what we have to do, we have to pour the water using this particular bottle into the density bottle like this. And you have to make it full. Okay. And then you have to place this cap so that there should not be any air voids which is present inside this particular bottle. Now you can see there is no air voids which is present inside the bottle. So I will just make it dry. Okay, it should be dry. So care should be taken that the surface of the bottle should be dry so that it will not get disturbed. So the third observation is mass of bottle plus soil plus full of water, that is 95 gram. So our third observation is 95 gram. So once we take the third observation, what we have to do? Again we have to remove all the soil. Okay, we have to remove all the soil and water from the bottle like this. Make it clean by adding some additional water into the bottle so that every soil particle will get now clear it with the help of this cotton. Now the fourth observation is mass of bottle plus full of water. So for fourth observation, again you have to fill this particular bottle with water only without soil. So again you have to place the cap like this. Okay. So there is a central hole at this particular cap so that the excess water will get escape out from this particular hole. So take down the fourth observation, that is mass of bottle plus only water. So that is 91 gram. It is 91. So we got these four observations, M1, M2, M3 and M4. Then we can directly go with the calculations.